Hello guys, let's make money together in Forex trading. It's your host Obsharkfx. Now, this video is a very important video and a very interesting video for Forex traders, for newbies, people who are into the Forex market newly, for people who wants to learn how to trade smart money concept. This video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Please, I beg you, watch to the end of this video. Watch to the end of this video, and I promise you, you won't regret any second spent on this video. So, without saying much, please do not forget to subscribe. Without saying much, let's jump into the video. Firstly, as a newbie, one of the things you need to know about forex trading is that you need to have a reason to trade. So let's go down to your reasons. So what are your reasons to trade? Because when you have a reason to trade, you have a full way to continue. So what are your reasons to trade? Let me tell you a quick story. For my own self, the reason why I started trading is because I've been trading for 6 years now. And the reason why I started trading is because despite my financial issue, I don't like working for people. I like being independent. I like being on my own. I like being the boss of myself, and the lifestyle, having the ability to fly around the world, travel, do some things, without having anybody bossing me around. That is the reason why I entered trading. That is the reason why I started trading. You understand? So whenever I lose an account or whenever I have setback or so, I remember the reason why I want to trade or why I want to be a profitable trader, and it gives me the fuel to continue. So you always have to know, have it at the back of your mind, the reason why you are trading. When you have the reason for trading, you have the fuel to continue. So when you've gotten the reason for trading, what next? You go for strategy. Strategy is a second key thing you need to have when trading. Most people, just newbies, they just get into the forex market like that. They blow their account because they don't have strategy. And most of them do multiple strategy. They jump from trend line strategy to demand and supply, other block, smart money, and other ones. You have to stick to one strategy because strategy equals to the roadmap. You understand? So the strategy is like the roadmap. It helps you. It's like the map to navigate the market. It tells you where the market is going to, the bias of the market, either you're shorting or either you're selling, So this is the second key thing you need to have when starting forex trading. But the third thing is that it's a trading plan. Your trading plan helps you focus. It helps you focus. When you have a trading plan, you have a $5,000 account or you have a $10,000 account. You have this plan that, okay, I have this $10,000 account now. How am I going to treat this $10,000 account? Maybe you got a funded account and you're reasoning how you're going to grow the account. Maybe you say, I'll risk just 5% of my account, or I'll risk just 10% of my account to get maybe 20% or any amount you're willing to get. So trading plan is very important. It's one key thing. Another key thing when you enter into the forex market newly as a newbie, trading plan is a very good key that you need to understand. Now, the fourth one we are moving into now is practice. You have to practice a lot, because when you're practicing with a demo account, it tells you if you are ready. You understand? The demo account tells you if you are ready. Now, let me give you another story about how I started to grow my channel, or how I started to post videos and made my own company. I had this plan for my own self to create a very big brand. I started doubting myself. How will I be able to make this kind of money? How will I be able to make this kind of money? So I started, let me create a demo account of $500,000, because there are prop firm accounts which you could actually get you funded up to that amount. So I said, let me create this account and let me see how I could flip this account. If I am able to flip this account with one strategy, that is the strategy I'm going to be showing to you, the strategy I'm going to be letting you know today. That is smart money concept. Please stay to the end of this video, watch to the end of this video, and I promise you, you will not regret any second spent here. So that is the strategy I used, and I was able to grow a $500,000 demo account to $126 million under 3 months, and it was amazing. That was when I came to the realization, and I came to my sense that I am actually ready for the live market. You understand? So the demo practicing account helps you to tell you if you are ready. So the moment you've gotten your fuel to continue, you've gotten your roadmap, which is a strategy, you've gotten your the trading plan that helps you focus. Now you've practiced in a demo account for maybe 3 or 4 months, and you've seen that you're ready, the strategy you've been using has been working for you, then you are able to go into the live market. Now, without saying this now, let me show you a diagram of the strategy we are going to be using. Like I said, there are different kinds of strategies. They have trend line strategy. We have the smart money concept, which we will be using. They have support and resistance and demand and supply, and lots of strategy. So now we'll be moving straight to the smart money concept, which I will be teaching today. So without saying much, let's move down to here. So as you can see right here, as you can see right here, this is a diagram of market structure. All you can see right here is just a diagram of market structure. This is the internal structure, of this market movement right here. So this is a 15 minutes market structure. Let's take it that this is a 15 minutes market structure. So let me take this out. So let me keep this right here. So as you can see now, this is a 15 minutes market structure. We have our lower low, we have our higher high, another lower low right here. Then we have our higher high right here that mitigated another block. Then another lower low, another higher high, another lower low that broke structure. Then we had the change of character, higher high, the next lower low, another higher high, another lower low, and just like that. Just like that. Now, what are we looking here now? What are we looking at this point in time? When we had this change of character here in the 15 minutes time frame, price actually pulled back. Whenever there is a change of character or there is a break of structure, price will always move back. Price will always move back to fill in orders, to take more orders before going to the original direction. So whenever you see a change of character in the 15 minutes time frame, it means change of direction of the market flow. It simply means change of trend. You understand? So this is the other block that our price leg mitigated before coming down to this point in time. So now we are not just going to mark any other block we see, and whenever price gets there, we just enter our our position and we started targeting down, because if you do it like that, you are going to lose. You're going to lose. So there are method and there are steps to take when trading smart money concept. So these are the internal structures. Let me put it back. These are the internal structures that will give us a confirmation about the trade position that we are in right now, that will give us the position that we are in right now. This is the confirmation, excuse me, that will give us the position that we are in right now. So what are we going to do now? We are going to scale down to the 1 minute time frame to look for our buyers. Just give me a minute. So we will go down to the 1 minute time frame to look for buyers. So what are we going to do now? Let's scale down to the 1 minute time frame now. Now, this price movements here, this price leg that we are seeing here, this is the 15 minutes the 15 minutes movement that actually happened here. So if I should delete this, if I should delete this, now this circle right here, now this movement right here, now it's the same thing with this one here. So if you can see clearly again, you find out that we have a 15 minutes order block right here. Price moved up, tapped in before coming down. So what happened next now? So we have our 15 minutes order block here. Price moved in and tapped in here. So now, without saying much now, when we see price gives us a change of character in the 15 minutes time frame and there's a pullback, what are we going to do? What we'll simply do is to mark our swing high and our swing low. So this is the swing high for the 15 minutes time, the swing low for the 15 minutes time frame, and the swing high for the 15 minutes time frame. And now this is the order block which price actually mitigated. So price came here, tagged us into this order block and started going down. So before price started going down, there is something price will always do whenever price gets to our order block. Any order block, there's something price will always do. I call it the SMF, which is smart money formula. Now, that smart money formula is something we always look for. It's something like this. It goes like this, like this, comes back, this, and this. You understand? This is a smart money formula. If you're trading smart money concepts, you should know this. This is the whole formula. Without this key formula here, there is nothing you want to do in this market. There is nothing you want to do trading smart money concept that you will succeed in it. So this is the key formula for smart money concept. So without saying much, let's jump into the number 3 of the video. Now, this point here, this 15 minutes order block here is the same order block as this here. So this is the internal structure, which is this. Let's take it that this internal structure is this same movement right here. So let's move right here. So now this is the order block and the 1 minute time frame that which we have turned in. So we have our 1 minute market structure, the higher high, lower low. Let me mark it, and we have our lower low here, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, break of structure, higher high, lower low, another break of structure, higher high. And now, as you can see, price failed to give us another higher high and give us a lower low below this low, the last lower low, giving us a change of character. So now price has given us a change of character in the 1 minute time frame. That is what price gave us, a change of character in the 1 minute time frame. Price has given us, let me quickly put it down, the change of character in the 1 minute time frame to the downside. And now this is what we are looking for. This is simply that smart money formula I was talking about. This is simply it now. The price has given us the change of character to the downside. What are we going to look now? Remember what I said, whenever price gives us change of character or a break of structure, price will always go up back. Just the way price did here. The moment it gave us a change of character, it came back up. Change of character, it came back up. The moment price gave a change of character, it came down. A change of character went up. Break of structure came down. Break of structure came down. So the moment price gave us this formula, as we are seeing here, the change of character, price went up back. As it went up back, mitigated into another order block, which is our 1 minute order block at this point here. So this is where we'll be putting all our orders. We'll be taking all our sell orders here, putting our stop losses above the order block, then targeting a 1 to 5. A 1 to 5 first as our take profit 1, then align the order position to get to the full 15 minutes swing low. So this is where we'll be entering all our position, and this is where we will be targeting. We will be targeting we will be targeting our 15 minutes, our 15 minutes swing low. So this is what we'll be targeting, and this is the confirmation we just had now. So we've had this confirmation. So this is our full trade. So without saying much, there is something called break even. There is something called break even. So whenever we see this pattern happen and we've entered our price position here, all our orders here, we've entered our position here, and price starts coming down and gives us a break of structure, which it has happened here, and it gives us a break of structure. What do you expect will happen now? From the previous lectures, you will find out that price has always been going up after a break of structure. So the moment price gives us this break of structure again in this price leg, yeah. So what does it happen again? What will happen now is price will go up to mitigate another order block at this point in time. So price came back to mitigate this order block here now. So the moment price comes back to this order block now, we are going to shift our stop losses from this position down to this angle. So all our stop losses is going to be around here. We'll put all stop loss here. All our orders would be here. Our stop loss would be down here. So no matter what happens, no matter how price does, we are out of risk in this trade. So no matter what happens, we are not on risk in this trade. Our stop losses are here. This is where prices are. Then we can sit down and wait for price to hit the full potential of this price range. So without saying much, now let's jump into the live market and let's see how this plays out in the live market. So this is GBP JPY in the 15 minutes time frame. Move to the 1 hour so you can see clearly. This is GBP JPY, and this is the 15 minutes time frame. As you all can see right here, this is a live market, and today's date is on Saturday, 4th of January, 4th of January 2025. So this is exactly what is happening now in the live market. So as you can see, we had our change of character to the upside, or probably a break of structure. Let me say it's a break of structure, not really a change of character. So we had our break of structure to the upside. So as we had our break of structure to the upside, please, I want you to pay attention to this very point. I want you to pay attention. I want you to give me your ears. Please stick around to this video. If you've watched to this point, it means you're following up, and I want you to stick around till this video ends. So as you can see, we've had our break of structure right here. So what happens next? Price came back. Just the way we said it, price came back and it went up again, failed to break this swing, this our 15-minute swing high. So the moment price failed to break our 15-minute swing high, what happened is price came back and mitigated this order block right here. So price came back, mitigated this order block. So the moment price came back to this order block, what did we do? We did not just begin to sell, to buy rather. We did not just begin to buy. So we had to go to the 1 minute time frame to look for our confirmation. So let me go to the 1 minute time frame now and look for the confirmation, just the way I showed it in the diagram below. So move to the 1 minute time frame. We are at the 1 minute time frame right now. So what do we have in the 1 minute time frame? Let me drag this down. So this is the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame has a lot of noise, so bear with me. Right. Good. So this is where our 15 minutes order block is. So this is where the 1 minute time frame market structure is. So as you can see, we have our lower low, our higher high, which leaves us a break of structure, a 1 minute break of structure to the downside. put your 1 minute break of structure to the downside. Price went up again, came down, gave us another break of structure. Let me put this like this. It gave us another break of structure to the downside. Another break of structure to the downside. And now, what happened next? After this last break of structure, price went up again, came down, gave us the last break of structure, went up, failed to give us another break of structure to the downside, but instead gave us a change of character, a 1 minute change of character. Like this is the confirmation that price has shifted. I want you to understand this very, very, very important part. This is where the formula is, the SMF, the smart money formula. This is where it has happened. This is where it has happened. Remember what I said earlier? I said the formula is like this, like this. You understand? Like this, like this, like this. This is for the buy side. So we have the 1 minute we have the 1 minute, what is it called, break of structure here and change of character here. Then this is at this point in time, this is where we'll have our order block. Then the movement goes up. You understand? So let me clean this. So now this is exactly what we're focusing here. So we've had the break of structure to the downside, the last break of structure to the downside before this change of character. So the moment price gives us this change of character, what are we going to do? We're going to scale down to the 5 minutes time frame to look for our order block. So we'll go down to our 5 minutes time frame right here, and we will look for our order block. So as you can see, we have the first order block here. So this is where we'll be looking for our order block. This price leg. This price leg is where we'll be looking for our order block. So from this angle here, we could see this is the last sell candle before this impulsive move. This is the last sell candle before this impulsive buy mode. So we'll drag this. This is to be our order block. And as you can see, there is this one here mitigating this one. So this one is no longer valued. That's not our order block. This here becomes our order block. So we'll draw this to our 1 minute order block right here, and we put it back there, draw this out, and let's see what happens next. All right, so now as you can see at this point in time, after price gave us the 1 minute change of character, price came down at this point in time, but failed to mitigate us here. Price failed to come into our 1 minute order block before going up. So what price did is that price came down, almost came to our entry point, but did what? But went up. So price went up and gave us a break of structure to the in 1 minute direction, 1 minute order block, and 1 minute time frame. It gave us a break of structure. So without saying much, price give us a break of structure. So no biggie. It always happens in the markets like this. It always happens where price will come close to your entry point and goes up. It doesn't mean you're wrong. It doesn't mean anything. It means price didn't just get to that entry point. So what are we going to do? We are going to repackage ourselves and we are going to reconstruct ourselves. So we'll take this out, we'll create another price range. So this is another price range from price now is now ranging from this angle, to this other angle here, which is our new swing high in the 1 minute time frame. So now we've gotten our higher high, lower low, change of character, higher high, lower low, break of structure, higher high. So price has to come down back. So price has to come back again whenever there's a break of structure or a change of character. Price has to come back. So what did price do here now? What did price did? So price now came back after this break of structure. Price came back. You understand? So you look for another order block at this point in time. As you can see, this one is being mitigated. All of this has been mitigated except this range right here. So price did what? Price came back to this other block right here at this point in time. This is where price came back. So this is where we'll be putting all our entries. We'll be putting all our entries at this point in time, and we'll be targeting our 1 to 5, like I said, like I said earlier, 1 to 5 to take our profit. So this is probably 1 to 5. This is 1 to 5. As you all can see, this particular trade has already gotten our first take profit. Now this is our take profit one, has already been gotten. You understand? This is 1 to 5. As you can see, this is 1 to 5 risk to reward. So that means if you're risking $1,000 here, you'll be making $5,000 at this point in time. So now, after getting this particular setup here, and we've gotten a break of structure again in the 1 minute time frame. We've gotten a break of structure at this point in time. We've gotten a break of structure here in the 1 minute time frame, break of structure up. As you can see, price is actually coming down again. What are we expecting again? We're expecting price to come down to this point before going up again. So without saying much, after price came back here, give us this entry model. I will entered all our entry here. So we'll plus some of our position 1 to 5 at this point here. We've already gotten out. What are we targeting? Where are we targeting? We are targeting the 15 minutes. The 15 minutes movement. That is where we will be targeting. That is where we will be targeting the 15 minutes movement, which is here at this point. This is the 15 minutes movement. This is where we will be targeting at this point in time. And as you all can see, this is a 1 to 39 risk to reward ratio trade. A 1 to 39 risk to reward. It is not your regular strategy. This strategy is not your regular strategy. This is not demand and supply. This is not the one this is a 1 to 39 risk to reward ratio trade. You understand? So this is beautiful trade, and this is a beautiful setup, and this is live. This is happening live. So if you have a funded account and you're a trader and you're watching this video right now, you can jump into this trade. You look for this position right here around this point in the 1 minute time frame, and you begin to buy. I'm already in those trades with my team. So if you want to join my team, please comment at the end of this video. Comment at the comment section. I want you to drop a fire and tell me I want to join, so I can send you the link so you can join my free channel where I post setups like this, where I post beautiful setups and beautiful videos where you could actually learn. This channel is quite made for educational purpose only. And please, if you find this video very interesting, or if you find this video interesting, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share, so this video can go viral, so other traders can see before Monday, so they could all jump into this trade. So thank you very much for taking till this point. This is your boy Obsharkfx, and I see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you, my people. Thank you for watching to this point. Thank you. I love you guys. Good night.